So hi guys, welcome to my Buckle channel. Today I'm going to show you this is the science kit. Ooh, we have a volcano explosion. So beautiful this is. So I get my things ready to do some experiment of it. Let's go. So let's first of all you in here measuring cylinders. We have to take the test tube. This is the we take it, then open using the measuring cylinder. This is the measuring cylinders. So the vinegar we have to give the first. Here it's gone. Now let's pour it. Here we have poured it. Now let's close. So let's hang it in here, else it's going to fall down. Then what you have to do is one scoop of baking soda. This is baking soda. Open. Then scoop. Take it. And we pour in. Here now we pour it inside the balloon. This is go inside, and here we hang it. Then we take the baking soda a little bit, then we pour inside it. So here it's gone inside the balloon. Now fill the balloon over the mouth of the test tube. So let's do it. We stuck the balloon inside the test tube. So here it's stuck. Now the balloon fall into the test tube. So let's make enough lift the balloon. Allow the baking soda to fall into the ground. So let's do it. Ooh, the balloon has grown. Look at this. The balloon has grown. Wow. Here it is. Wow, so awesome this is. Wow. This is the experiment behind this. That the balloon glows. Wow. It's very exciting. Okay, let's put it back side. So now for the second trick, underwater volcano. Volcano is very excitement one. So measure 10 ml water in a measuring cylinder, pour it into the test tube. This is the test tube. 10 ml of water. Go on. Here I have poured it. Now what? Then add 2 drops of red color into the test tube and mix using the stirring stick. Now let's give 2 drops. Gone. Now let's close it. That one may not fall. Now let's mix it. Using the stirring stick. Here it's mixed. You can see this is the. Now 1 scoop of baking soda. And 1 scoop of baking soda. Baking soda. This is the. So let's open. 1 scoop. So I poured it. And now measure 20 ml of cooking oil in the measuring cylinder. Slowly pour it into the test tube. Now this is little bit of external oil. This is 20 ml. Let's pour it. Okay, done. Very nicely. Now the last experiment. Then what happens? You see. Drop 1 scoop of citric acid into the test tube. So let's start this whole thing, or else it may fall down if you have. One scoop. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, hey look, it is burst. In the up it is bursting. Now the water is getting up, rising up. Look, the bubbles is also making. What's happened? Look. Look, the portion has fallen down. Funny. The down part, this is shaking. Look. Here. The bubble is rising up. When the citric acid had fallen down, it's nothing happened. Now, when it's good down, what's happened? Ooh, now the red color is coming slowly. Wow. See how fun. It's rising up. And it has made cold also. I touch it. Ew. Oily and goldy. How much fun is it? Means when the citric acid had fallen on, it's gone in the down, and it's just gone into the down, and the water and the oil rise up. But I'm from the next one. This is the first of all. Look, one more little bit of. This is how rising. So these are very fun to show because everything's very different kind of funny things. And the third and the second was the volcano. Means it's very fun, sir. So you can also try this sir at home. So you will also means your mind will be much more fresh. Freshman you will get. So thank you for watching my video. Just like, share and subscribe it. Okay, thank you. Bye.